Hello there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much. This is absolutely lovely. I love this braid. You are in for so many surprises. We really took our time to make style selections when it comes to amazing braids hairstyles, especially African braids, as you come to find 2025 African braids hairstyles for a stylish look. Of course, we're heading into a new year. 2025 is just around the corner, less than 3 months to go, or probably 2 months to go. You're sure to find something really amazing right here. Get creative with all the wonderful hairstyles you can find. You can definitely find Fulani as well as tribal braids hairstyles. You can find new braids ideas for black women right here. Check out this video through the end as you come to find very unique hairstyles that you can try out for yourself. It's all about getting great ideas. It's all about you giving yourself that standout look to, of course, feel confident and amazing about yourself. Find the most beautiful latest hairstyles right here. Again, we are heading into a new year, and let's not get started on the season, the Christmas as well as the New Year season, where you find beautiful and amazing hairstyles to help you, of course, look really beautiful, really amazing and wonderful for yourself. Cornrows at its best, beautiful, well designed braids hairstyles with great finishing, hairstyles with great accessories. Talk about the beaded accessories. You can definitely see how these ladies are rocking the look and of course having the great feeling on themselves. You can definitely see this is an amazing braid right here as well. It's all about looking unique. It's all about feeling great about yourself. It's all about you having that confident booster. So let us hear your thoughts about this wonderful video in the comment section. Make sure to share the video with friends and family. Keep coming back for more. We have similar videos like these, but of course it's something unique for you in each of the video that you need to watch out for. Keep coming back for more. Let's hear your thought about the video in the comment section. Till tomorrow, take care and bye.